walking, sleeping. Oh. Alright, mukhang nag-cheat si Larry, sir. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, let's try one more time. But this time, you decide, okay? So we have first, second, and third. Saan sila lagay? Last second. Second. So, walang force. Okay, so Larry, whenever you're ready. Not cheating, Larry, ah. Okay, so walking. Anybody? Alright. And that is Larry, our farm silhouette, or locally known as Musa. Thank you so much, Larry. Very beautiful. Alright, magkitataas ang kamay, ha? And actually, he is related to the silhouette. As you can see, he moves quite easy on that one, and he can have this huge tail, just like that. And that tail goes next side. Okay, good enough. Eat some kinds of fruits, leaves, berries, small animals, and even eggs. So short, they are omnivores. Nothing too wrong with what I have to say. They chuckle when happy. A high-pitched smell is very annoying. They will howl, run, and hiss. And they use that muttered popcorn smell to mark their territories. Yeah. And here in the Philippines, bituros can only be found in the beautiful island of, saan siya may kita? Start with the letter P? Palawan, that's right. That's why they're also known as Palawan bearcat. Okay, so how about a big hand for Luna, our bituros today. Okay, thank you so much, Luna. That's cute, diba? Okay, now let's move on. This world is really wild and crazy now. Imagine, spending half of your life looking at the world upside down. Nakabaliktad daw. See, okay, let's see if you're right. Tingnan natin, tama na sila. And yes, you're right. The world's only flying mammal. This is bamboo, our male giant bearcat. Okay, listen. Now, I say giant because they are one of the largest bats in the world. When they are full grown, they can reach the wingspan of 5 feet long. Okay, show your wings. Now, bamboo has 5 toes in each foot and 4 fingers with those delicate and stretching wings. And their tongues stick out so they can move along the branches. But everybody's wondering, why do bats hang upside down? Do you have any idea? Bakit nakabaliktad? Nakahab? Dahil pagod? Ano ba? Para magkahab? Alright, so there's an awful reason. So everybody, I want you all to try this. Close your hand like this. Close your hand really tight. Make it. See how much energy it takes to do that. Now I want you to relax your hand. Your hand opens, right? Well, the bats close were the opposite. When they are relaxed, their claws are closed. So when they hang, they are more comfortable. And the other reason that their legs are so small and thin, and it's not designed to walk on or take off from the ground just like birds. So what they must do is, they need to climb up into the higher place. Okay, shoulder bamboo. Okay, just like that. Yeah, kapag mataas na sila, they will actually fall into right! Yes, like that! One more on bamboo. And that is a back slide. Alright, so how about a big hand for bamboo? Our giant bearcat. Alright, thank you so much for your again. Alright, now do you want to see more? Okay, let's meet another flying jet. He is also native here in the Philippines and have a very straight looking beak. So what is it? Anong bird tonight? Manok. Manok na pula, gano'n. Ano ba? Ano, pinulan? Alright, now Lorinari is a northern rufous hornbill or locally known as kalaw. Sila po nila tawag natin kalaw. And see that big thing, see on the top of his beak. Nakita dito niya? That is what we call cusp. Sabihin nyo, cusp. Yeah. We believe that it acts like vibration chamber to make their voices louder. So hornbills are quite chatty. They cooperate of deep moving sounds to raise the kadaki, toots, bellows, and cackles. And I know it's a little hard to see, but hornbills have eyelashes sa tuwing mata. Diba? Yeah, so make them so cute and sexy. Sana. Diba? They eat combination of fruits, insects, and other small animals. And that biggest quite handy. That way can use the tip of his beak as a finger.